Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in Outlook. Having a professional email signature is essential for maintaining a polished appearance in your business communications, and it saves you the time of manually typing your contact details at the end of every email. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully logged in and that your inbox is loaded completely before proceeding to the next step. This ensures that all the features and settings we'll be working with are accessible. Once your email has loaded, we need to access the email tools to start creating your signature. Click on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This button is usually quite prominent and easily recognizable. Clicking it will open up a new window where you can compose emails. You'll be directed to the email composition screen. This is where you can customize and add signatures to your emails. From here, you'll directly see the signature icon in the toolbar at the top of the composition window. Simply click on it and a signature creation window will appear. This is the central hub for managing all your email signatures in Outlook. Now we're at the heart of the signature creation process. Start by clicking on the New Signature button. A small window will appear, prompting you to enter a name for the signature. Choose a descriptive name that helps you identify the signature later, especially if you plan to create multiple signatures for different purposes. Type in your chosen name and proceed. Once you've entered a name for your new signature, the editor at the bottom part of the window will open. This is where the magic happens, and you can truly customize your signature to reflect your professional identity. From here, you can type your own signature manually, including your name, job title, phone number, and any other contact information you want to include. You also have the option to upload a business card, which can be a great way to share your professional details in a structured format. If you want to add your company logo or a professional headshot, you can upload an image directly into the signature. Additionally, you can add hyperlinks to your website, LinkedIn profile, or social media accounts to make your signature more interactive and informative. Take your time to format everything properly. You can adjust fonts, colors, and alignment to match your brand or personal style. Once you're satisfied with how your signature looks, click on OK. Your signature will now be saved and will automatically be inserted into your emails going forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.